According to a study by KPMG, the paid user base for online education in India is expected to grow by a compound annual rate of 44%. With a growing list of course providers in collaboration with top institutes offering thousands of online programs across domains, it becomes imperative for you to define your competitive edge. A natural expectation learners have is to leverage their enhanced skill set and grow within their career. In a recent study carried out by Coursera, more than half of respondents said their goals in taking these online courses was to improve their employment prospects. Career Assist is an initiative by IIMjobs.com and Hirist.com specifically designed to address this fundamental requirement and provide a valuable addition to your course offering to learners. More than 4 lakh premium hand-picked jobs are posted on IIMjobs.com and Hirist.com every year that receive millions of job applications. So one of the most valuable advantages for a candidate is to stand out, both in terms of visibility and positive impact. Through our Career Assist solutions, your certified learners get access to a combination of product upgrades and services, which include solutions like Spotlight, Pro Membership, and skill enhancement webinars. Once the learner's profile is updated on IIMjobs and Hirist.com, the next step for them is to begin applying for positions matching their skill set. This is where the Spotlight upgrade comes into play. Spotlight. With more than 180,000 distinct recruiters publishing hundreds of thousands of jobs on IIMjobs and Hirist.com, the Spotlight feature mainly focuses on improving the likelihood of your learners getting noticed by the leading organizations hiring on our platforms. This is accomplished in 2 ways. First, Job Seeker Rank Boost. Your learner's profile rank is boosted among the list of other applicants that apply for the same job. Profiles with higher ranks are visible to the recruiters first, which significantly increases the chances of your learner being shortlisted for the job they applied for. 2. Certification Badge. Profiles of your learners are highlighted with the course provider's name, your company's name, at the recruiter interface along with the testimony that your learner has successfully acquired the certification. This helps your learners to stand out and also helps you to brand yourself to the topmost recruiters or organizations. One of the most common yet significant pain points that candidates face is lack of information while and after applying to jobs. To bridge this gap, our Pro Membership solution offers candidates a host of advantages that equip them with the right insights, information points, and creating a direct communication link with recruiters. Through Pro Membership, they get the following benefits. Job Insights. Access to insights helps your learner compare his or her application against all other applications received for a particular job. Recruiter Action Status. The ability to view the status of job applications whenever a recruiter takes any action. Follow-up. Your learners get access to 1 follow-up per week to a job they have applied to. If not used, it will be carried forward onto the next week. Chat feature. Initiate chat with the recruiter who has shortlisted your application. Improved visibility. A star icon against your learner's application to improve visibility. Webinar. We also bring a chance for your learners to listen to technology experts through live knowledge sharing sessions on the latest and trending skills and technologies. With this initiative, we aim at providing an in-depth knowledge of various topics and to guide your learners to make well-informed decisions in their respective career paths. With these, they acquire a massive edge while applying to jobs and significantly enhance their profile and job search experience on our platforms. Learners from Simplilearn, Upgrad, Coding Ninjas, Edureka, etc. have leveraged our Career Assist solutions with great success and have witnessed over 40% higher positive response from recruiters. Here's what some of them have to say.